See, there is a question here. If the momentum of a body increases by 20%, then its kinetic energy increases by. So this is one question frequently asked in physics, and also the relation between the kinetic energy and momentum is K is proportional to P square. Very similarly, we have in our course, we have many such relations. This is the most general relation. A is proportional to B square. Not only for this K is proportional to P square, for any in general relation between two parameters A and B, we can use this technique, trick. See, the question is saying this way, the momentum P increases by 20%. Then what to do? Simply, if you do this way, you will get the answer. Simply 12 square minus 100 will be your answer. 12 square is 144. 100 is minus 100. You will get 44%. So here, if the momentum P increases by 20%, kinetic energy increases by 44%. Okay, let us extend this. Here, let me write again. If momentum increases by 20%, if momentum increases by 20%, what we did? 12 square minus 100. How much we got? 44. That is your answer. If momentum increases, let me extend by 30%. 13 square minus 100. 30 square is 169 minus 100 is 69%. Further extend 50%. If momentum increases by 50%, then 15 square minus 100, you will get 225 minus 100. What you will get? 125. 125%. So how we got this? How we got this 12, 13, 15 here? So I'll explain here. See, looking into this 20, okay, add 100 to this 20, or you add this 20 to 100, then what you will get? 20 plus 100 is 120. Divide that with 10, then what you will get? 12. So this is a 12. If it is 30%, add 100 to this. Add 100 to this. So it will be 130. Divide with 10. What will get? 30. This 100 is common in everywhere. So based on this 50%, you will get 50. How? Again, we will see 50. We add 100 to this, it will be 150 divided with 10. Then you will get 15%. Then last, if we go with 25%, then what happens? You will see. If it is 25%, then so like this, if you want, what you have to do? 125 divided by 10. 125 divided by 10. What will you get? 12.5. Square it minus 100. Then you'll get, if you do this, you'll get 56.25%. So this is one way to get this question, answer for this question within a fraction of time. Last example we will see. If at all momentum increases by momentum increases by 100%. Momentum increases by 100%. In such case, what to do? Add 100 to this, so that it will be 200. Divide with 10, you will get 20. Then what you have to do? Square this and subtract 100 from this. How we did here? Like that we have to do. So 400 minus 100. Now it will be 300. So if momentum increases by 100%, then kinetic energy increases by 300%. So in another trick, we'll see if at all momentum decreases by some percent, what to do. So let us continue with that trick. Now trick 51 completed. Trick 52. See, in earlier case, if momentum increases by certain percent, the kinetic energy increment in the kinetic energy will be how much? That is the question asked. Now a little bit change. If at all momentum decreases by 20%, then what to do? In the earlier trick, what we did, we added this 20 to 100. Now you subtract this from 100. So in one way it is 100 minus 20. What do you will get? 80. Divide with 10. What will you get? 8. Now straight away, if you want to get what is the change in the kinetic energy, it's a decrement, of course. How much? Decrement will be revealed by the sign. We'll see that also. Simply in this case, you want to know what is the change in the kinetic energy. Simply 8 square, this 8 square minus 100. How much you will get? We get 64 minus 100 is minus 36. What does it mean? This minus indicates that there is a decrement in the kinetic energy. Okay, let us continue with another example. So let us go with 40%. In this case, 20% momentum decreases by 20%, kinetic energy decreases by 36%. Let us go with if at all momentum decreases by 40%. What to do? Just now I told you, subtract this from 100. 100 minus 40 is 60. Divide this with 10. 6. 6 square minus 100. Then 6 square minus 100 is 36 minus 100 is how much? Minus 64. The kinetic energy decreases by 64%. In this case, kinetic energy decreases by 64%. This minus sign indicates that kinetic energy decreases. Now, let us go with one more example. If at all momentum, P is the momentum, decreases by 50%, then what to do? Subtract this from 100. What will you get? 5. 5 square minus 100. 5 square is 25. Minus 100 is minus 75. So what does it mean? The kinetic energy decreases by 75%. This way, you can find even for any relation, most general relation, A is proportional to B square. So this is the most general case. There are so many situations in physics. We will see if a parameter decreases by some percentage, what will be the change in the percentage change in the another parameter. This is many times we'll see. So the same procedure or trick we can use to solve any such question. See, earlier we have seen two tricks, 51 and 52. So in those two tricks, we learned one simple method to solve many physics questions. So here I'll give one more relation. Y is proportional to x square. This is also resembling the same relation, but the trick that we are using to solve earlier question or this question using another deviation, we'll see that right now. So the question is this: if at all the x value increases by some value, what is the change in the y value? Of course, in terms of its percentage, it may be increment or decrement. So simply we know change in x, it can be increment or decrement, or y value also, it may be increment or decrement. So we'll see what to do with this. For example, the question it is given, for example, if x is increased by 20%, if x is increased by 20%, then what is the percentage increment in y value? That is the question. So y increases or not, decreases or not, we don't know. We'll see later. What to do here? You add plus sign here, plus sign. Then what you will get? Simply, if you able to do this practice, 2 plus 20 into 2 into 2. So how much this is 22 into 2? This is 22 into 2. How much it is? 44. 44% increment will be there in y value. So here plus, here plus, here you will get plus. If at all x decreases by 20%, if at all x decreases by 20%, then what we have to do in y value, if we want to see the change, 2 minus 20, here minus into 2, very similar. Then what you will get, this value is 18 with a negative sign into 2, and what you will get, minus 36. Minus indicates that y decreases. So let us go with one more small example. Simple method. Only how to write I will explain. But let us complete one example, one more example. Let us go with 50%. X increases by 50%. What to do with this? Simple. 5 is there here. 5 plus 20. 20 is common. 5 plus 20 into 5. So what we did here, seeing this 50 here, this 5 plus 20. 5 plus 20 into same 5. Here what we did in the 20, here what is there? 2. 2 plus 20. 20 is common here and here. Here 2 into 2. Here 5 into 5. So what you will get here? This is 25 plus 25 into 5. It is 125. The y value will be now increases by 125%. See, again, same procedure we did in trick 52 and 51 also, but small deviation here. Whichever you feel easy, you can take up that. Both are easy only. Anyone. Well, you practice both the tricks 51, 52 along with the 53. You practice many cases, then only it will help you. Otherwise, again, only listening is not only criteria. You have to practice. So let us go with if at all x decreases. Here, how I explained, if x decreases by 20%. Now let us go with x decreases by 50%. What happens here? Decreases by 50%. What to do? See here, when you see plus, you will get, if when you see plus here, you will get plus here. When you see minus here, you will get minus here. And here 2, you will get 2 here and as well as here. When you see here plus, you will get plus here. This 50 in that 5 you will get here and also here. Similarly, you see here, it is now the value of x decreased by 50%. Then how to write? Why increases or decreases, we don't know, but we will see how to write. How we wrote this and this and this, we will see for this. Here 5 plus minus, which one? Minus 20. 20 is common. Here it is common. 2. What you have to write here? Again this 5. So we'll see here is 15 with a negative sign. Minus 15 into 5. So how much it is? Minus 75%. What this minus sign indicates? What this minus sign indicates? Y also decreases. With these 3 things, you can simply answer many questions in many places. You will have such relations. Y is proportional to x square, many places, and most of the time, even in the as a bit also, you may get sometimes. If at all one parameter increases by a certain percent, what will be the decrement in the other parameter or increment in the other parameter? So we just develop trick 51, 52, 53 only for this kind of relation. We'll see few other tricks in the next video.